Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's review is going to be all about the new Chanel Le Blanc collection. It's called the FLEUR EAU, and I cannot wait to go ahead and share with you how I got this look and how beautiful this collection truly is. I'm starting off with clean moisturized skin. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Le Blanc Rosy Light Drops. With this, it's basically a highlighter, but you can use it underneath your foundation, you can use it mixed into your foundation, and you can use it as a highlighter overall as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do all of that and just try this product out and see how it works. I really like that it comes in a pump. So I'm just gonna try it right underneath my foundation. So we're gonna use, I'm not gonna use a primer or anything like that. It comes right out. Ooh, it's pretty watery. Ooh. All right, let's just apply some on the cheeks. It really gives a natural glow just on the skin on the back of my hand. I feel like I have little tiny pearls just shining. I'm just gonna use my hand to kind of blend that in. Now let's apply some foundation on this tired skin. I'm going to use my Lit Essential Guerlain foundation. I'm just going to use 2 pumps on the back of my hand, and we are going to mix a pump of the Rosy Glow. Just 1 pump. I'm using my Tati Blendiful to blend that foundation into my skin. And there's the foundation. It definitely gave such a beautiful glow to the skin, just very natural and very healthy as well. I feel that if you have a matte foundation that you absolutely love and want to add just a little bit of a glow to it, this is perfect for it. I'm going to apply some concealer. Now I am using the Dior Forever Concealer. Just during the winter months, I love glowy makeup. I just feel that my skin is so dry no matter how much I moisturize it. It's just always dry. I don't know if you guys feel that way or you have skin like that. It's driving me insane. Now to my concealer, I do want to add some of the drops as well. I told you we're going to go all out with this. I'm just going to apply a pump on the back of my hand, and then using the Tati Blendiful, just going to dip it into that Rosy Glow and just blend that concealer right in. So that's the drops. Definitely very beautiful. I thought that it might be a little bit overwhelming, but it's not at all. It's very subtle. It just gives that really fine glow to the skin. Really like this product. Now let's get onto the eyeshadow. How beautiful is this palette? Now this collection did come out with 2 different palettes. This one I had my eye on immediately. It's just beautiful. Look at that Camilla Rose right on the palette. Of course, once you dip right into it, it's going to fade away. I think I'm going to start off with this beautiful pink shade and shade that right into my crease. Let's intensify this look just a little bit. I'm going to grab this purple shade and apply that onto my lid. The pigment in this palette is quite subtle, but I kind of really love that. I can imagine if you're wearing a sundress, this is so perfect because you really don't want that intense type of eyeshadow in the summer, and it just gives such a beautiful flush of pink and purple shade to your eyelid. Now let's get into this pink shade and apply that to the inner corner. And that's that pink shade. It kind of really created a nice transition from the purple to the pink, the lighter pink that I initially applied on. Now let's go ahead and use these 2 colors and just shade them right underneath my waterline. Let's go ahead and grab this white shade and kind of pack it onto my inner corner. Ooh, that really amped up the eyeshadow look. it kind of intensified those eyeshadows just a little bit more. That looks beautiful, so gorgeous. I want to do one more thing. I'm just gonna take this initial pink shade with a larger fluffy brush and just shade it all the way up, right underneath my eyebrow. I've been really loving using this technique. It kind of opens up your eye just a little bit more. So there's the eyes all done. I went ahead and added that eyeliner very subtly. I didn't want to make it really that intense because I feel that eyeshadow is just very soft and I just wanted to continue with that look. I also added some mascara off camera and I added some of my Chanel Sultan de Chanel just to bronze up my face. Now let's add some color to my cheeks. The collection also came out with this beautiful blush. This is in color number 330. Look how intense this looks. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like with the eyeshadow look. I'm grabbing my Chanel blush brush in number 4 and just going right into this blush. It seems like it's going to be quite intense, so let me just go very slow with this. I just love blush, and this one is beautiful. Look at that flush of pink that it adds to the cheeks. Definitely loving this look. It looks so bright and beautiful. Just exactly what I was hoping for this collection. I love when I purchase a collection and just the way it looks so beautiful in the pan, it reflects back to when you apply it because that's what you want. But this is gorgeous. It looks so pretty on. Now this collection came out with many lipstick shades, many of their formulas, a Rouge Allure formula. It came out with the Cocoa Flash formula. It also came out with the Ink Fusion. I've never tried the Ink Fusion, so I went ahead and got a little sample of the Ink Fusion. I'm going to try this formula out to see if I like it. Now when I purchase collections, I really like to kind of keep it to one lipstick shade color, and with this one, what really caught my eye is Rouge Cocoa Flash in color number 112. This comes in a beautiful pink nudish type of shade. I also purchased another lipstick shade. Now this one didn't come out with this collection. It came out about a couple of weeks ago, but I have had my eyes on it, and it's in the Rouge Allure formula, and it comes with this beautiful camellia rose right on top of the bullet. I thought it was such a nice touch, and the color is very pretty. This one is in 337 camellia rose, and I thought it was just the most beautiful shade. So let's go ahead and try this lipstick shade first on the lips with this look, and then I'll probably try the other one. This is the 337 in the Rouge Allure in the new Camellia collection. Such a pretty shade, very beautiful pink shade, definitely very summer. I love that it's not too intense. I definitely see myself wearing this on a day-to-day basis. Now let's try the Cocoa Flash in color number 112. Now this one did come out with this collection. And there's the Cocoa Flash in number 112. Definitely a beautiful shade. It's not too intense, very perfect for summer. Love the shade. Really, really subtle, but still very beautiful. And I love that glow that it gives to the face. I can't really choose out of both lipstick shades. I think they're both very beautiful in their own way. What do you guys think? Which one did you prefer better? The first one or the second one? Both of them are different formulas. The other one is the Rouge Allure, and this one is in Cocoa Flash. Last but not least, I do want to apply a highlight to this look. And of course, we're going to use the Rosy Light Drops. What I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of this, and just using my finger, I'm going to apply it onto my cheekbone and just see, ooh, this did not look that intense when I applied it underneath. I love how versatile this product is. Gives such a beautiful glow to the skin. Wow. I believe this is about $65, but it's so worth it because you can use it in so many different ways and it looks absolutely stunning. So there's a finished look, absolutely stunning. I love each and every one of these products. I think they're so worth it. If you want to buy one product out of this whole collection, it would definitely have to be these Rosy Glow Drops. This is so beautiful. It leaves your skin so bright, so healthy looking. I love how versatile it is. I use this underneath my foundation, with my concealer. Literally hasn't caused any creasing at all, and I use this as a highlighter and it's absolutely gorgeous. And it looks so intense as a highlighter, not as intense as other highlighters of course, but still the perfect amount. But when you apply it underneath your foundation, as you saw, it really wasn't as intense. I love this formula. It's so beautiful. If you want to buy anything from this collection, you definitely need to get your hands on this Le Blanc Rosy Light Drops. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. I know it's not as pigmented as basically every single other eyeshadow that is coming out lately, but I feel that it's the perfect pigmentation onto your eyelids, especially during the summertime. You really don't want an intense look, and this is great, and it's so easy to apply, so easy to blend. I think overall I was quite impressed. I think looking at the pan, it looks beautiful, but even on the eyes, it created such a beautiful, subtle, glowy look. The blush is beautiful. It's very intense. You definitely, a little bit goes a long way. I think with the eyeshadow being very subtle, this definitely made out for it. If you want a blush, you're in need of a blush, this one needs to be on your list. It's so beautiful. I love this formula. I always have. I remember as a child, I saved up and I bought my first blush ever, and it was this formula. I no longer have it, of course, but I definitely am really excited to have another one in my collection, and this one is gorgeous. Even though I didn't try all of the lipsticks in the collection, I'm sure the other ones are just as beautiful, but I definitely love the ones that I chose, or at least the one that came out with this collection, the 112 in Cocoa Flash. What I have on my lips right now is so beautiful, so comfortable to wear. If you are interested in getting any of the lipstick shades of the Camilla Rouge Allure collection, this one in shade number 337 was so beautiful. I love that it's pink, but it's not too intense. Definitely perfect for the summer. And that's it for my review of the new Chanel Le Blanc makeup collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope it made it easier for you to choose any of the products in this collection. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.